Today's class is about resistors and its types of resistors, and let us see what are all the types. Resistors, two main characteristics of a resistor are its resistance, and it will be represented in ohms, and what is the power rating, that will be represented by watts. Power rating for resistance may be as high as several hundred watts or as low as 1/10 watts. Resistors with higher value are usually have lower wattage because they have less current. Lower the power rating, smaller the physical size of the resistor. This slides give you the overview of what all the types of resistors available. Here is the linear resistor. The resistance varies linearly. Here we have two kinds. One is fixed resistor and another one is variable resistor. In fixed resistor, depending upon the amount of material you are using, type of material we are using, carbon composition resistor, wire wound resistor, thick film resistor and thin film resistor. This thin film resistor is further classified into carbon film, metal film resistor. Thick film is further classified into fusible resistor, cermet film resistor, metal oxide resistor. Next comes the variable resistors. It is classified as potentiometers, rheostats or trimmers. In case of nonlinear resistor, it is classified as thermistor, photoresistor, varistor, surface mount resistor. First, let us see wire wound resistor, which is coming under the category of fixed value. It will have two terminals. This is made up of a special type of wire, and that will be forming the resistance. This will be wrapped around an insulating core. The length of the wire and its specific resistivity will determine the value of the resistance. The types of resistance wire include either tungsten or manganese. The core material may be either porcelain, cement or just plain paper. These wire wound resistors is of higher current applications with lower resistance and appreciable power. They are available with wattage range from 10 watts up to 75 watts or even more. The resistance is available from 1 ohm resistance up to several thousand ohms. It will provide an accurate resistance as well as the circuit will be stable. A small wire wound resistor are available in a rating of 3 watts, otherwise 4 watts. Next type is carbon composition resistor. It will have tin leads like this, and molded resistance element will be there. In between we place the carbon composition material. The material is finely divided into carbon or graphite mixed with powdered insulating material such as binder, which will gives the proportion. This proportion will be required as per the required value of resistance. The resistance element is enclosed in a plastic case for insulation as well as to provide mechanical strength. The two ends of carbon resistance elements will be metal caps with the leads of tinned copper wire for soldering the connections to your circuits. The commonly available ranges of resistance is from 1 ohm to 20 mega ohms. Examples: 10 ohms to 20 ohms, 4.7 kilo ohms and 68 kilo ohms. The power rating is generally 1/10 watts, 1/8 watts, 1/4 watts or 1/2 watts. So this is about carbon composition resistors. Rest will be discussed in the next class.